Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today we're going to talk about how long to wait for updates underway in Windows 10 and show you exactly what to do if your updates seem stuck. Step 1. Open the search bar on your Windows 10 taskbar and type Troubleshoot Settings, then click on it. This will open the main troubleshooting page where you can access tools to fix Windows problems, including update issues. Step 2. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. This section lists all the available troubleshooters for different Windows features, and it's important because it lets us target the specific problem with Windows Update. Step 3. Scroll through the list and find Windows Update, then click the Run button next to it. This will launch the Windows Update Troubleshooter, which automatically detects errors or issues that may be preventing updates from completing. Step 4. Follow all the on-screen instructions carefully. The troubleshooter may ask you to apply certain fixes or restart services, and this step is crucial to allow Windows to repair any problems that are causing delays in updates. Step 5. Once the troubleshooter completes, restart your computer by clicking Restart, not Shut Down. Restarting ensures that all the fixes are applied properly and allows Windows updates to continue normally without being stuck. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.